Hello, everyone. Welcome or welcome back. My name is NikkaNadia, and today we are going to do a short Tabla tutorial together to Wanna Bide Anak by Hossam Ramzi. When I am not near you is the translation. Okay, let's get started. You must take time to warm up before we do this together, so make sure that you practice the warm-up link that I put below for you, and let's get started. We're going to start with our weight on one leg, arms at a nice long diagonal, and we take our hip and we go bum, 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 bum. Drop and drop and drop and drop. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then shimmy, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Okay? Again, boom, 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 brrrr. Switch, boom, 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 boom. Then so that's 4 on the other side, 2, 3, 4. Then we can do either a belly roll, boom, 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 or a camel, boom, 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 boom. Whatever is easy for you and whatever you prefer. Let's try it together with the music. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. Oh me, oh me, oh me, oh me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder shimmy. So let's talk about it. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shimmy, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, camel or belly roll. Do 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 do. Then back to the other side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we have omis. So nice big hip circles, side tuck, side back. Bum 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 bum. Then we just face forward, bum, 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 bum. So that's 4 hip accents, right and left and right and left. Shoulder shimmy. Okay, again from the top. Dun, 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 brrrr, and dun, 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 belly or camel. Dun, 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 rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Dun 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 bum 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 ba-dum bum. Okay, let's try it. Forward, back, forward, and forward, back, forward, and chest, chest. Chest, chest, camel, camel, camel. Okay, again, that much. Chest, 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 camel, camel, camel. Okay, so the new part that we're adding on after we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then we have shoulder shimmy, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and we have forward, back, forward, and forward, back, forward, and then we come to face each other, face the camera, face one another, and we have boom, 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 boom. So I'm drawing this U shape with my chest side to side, 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 side. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, shoulder shimmy, and forward, back, forward, and forward, back, forward, and chest, 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 camel, 2, 3, turn to face each other. Camel, 2, 3, turn. Okay? And that's as far as we're going to go today. Ready? Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. Let's clarify the whole thing, finish to end one more time. We have drop and drop and drop and drop. Shimmy. Then drop and drop and drop and drop. Camel or belly or both. Drop and drop and drop and drop. Omi, 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 omi. Side, 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 side. Shoulders. And forward, back, forward, together, forward, back, forward, and chest, 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 camel, 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 and. Okay, here we go. 2 more times to finish. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining. I hope that was fun. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to do next, and I'll see you soon.